Hi, Andrea Vacca from the Vacca Family Law Group. So many clients call our office because they want an amicable divorce. They want a divorce that's not going to destroy their families and that everybody can go on and have the best possible future after the marriage is over. And one of the best ways we know to help our clients have that type of divorce is by using the collaborative divorce process. So this video is going to explain to you a little bit about that process, and some future videos will talk to you more about the specifics. So what is the collaborative divorce process? Well, it has three main principles. The first is that you and your attorney and your spouse and their attorney will never go to court. All agreements will be reached outside of court in a non-adversarial way. The second principle is that there'll be full transparency and open and honest disclosure of all relevant and important facts. You will not be negotiating in the dark. The third principle is that this is a process that is going to look at what is through the lens of what is best for you and your spouse and your children. So every decision that we make, every option that we explore, we'll be looking, does this meet everybody's needs as much as possible? So how does it work? Well, first of all, you're going to have an attorney by your side during all the negotiations and through all the meetings that you might have. Your attorney will be there to advise you, to consult with you, and to help advocate for you. They will not be advocating, though, in an adversarial way. Instead, they'll be advocating in a way that speaks to what's important to you instead of what you're demanding from each other. It's a very different way of negotiating. We're going to be focusing on what's most important to you, what's most important to your spouse, and keeping those best interests in mind so that we can, all the options, like I said, will be viewed through that lens. It's a team approach to divorce as well. So that means we're going to have a financial professional helping with the financial issues. We're going to have what we call a family specialist helping with the parenting plan if you have children. They're going to be helping with the emotional issues that are normally coming up in divorce, and also helping you to communicate better so that you can have that respectful dialogue that is required for the collaborative process to work. So what are the benefits of this process? Well, first of all, you remain in control. You and your spouse make all the decisions. You're going to come to an agreement that is very specific for your family. Every family is different. There should be no cookie cutter agreements. What your neighbor did might not be what you do. So we're going to make sure this agreement speaks to what your family needs. Another major benefit is that it's very flexible. This is an agreement that will be able to move with you over the years, and so that you don't end up in court later. It's a durable agreement. It's also a confidential process and your complete privacy. So you'll never be in a courtroom. No one will ever be hearing what's in this agreement, and everything you agree to will be completely confidential. And I think what might be most important is that it's a respectful process. The attorneys are speaking to each other in a respectful way. We're encouraging and modeling how you and your spouse can do that. We know it's been hard getting to this place. We know it's hard to talk to each other sometimes. Well, we're going to help bring down the tension and all the emotions and help you have a productive conversation. And that's what you can take into the future. After we leave and you go on to your post-divorce lives. So if you'd like more information, email us at vaccalaw.com, go to our website, and you will see our ebook. It's called Divorce Without Court, A More Peaceful Solution. We'd be happy to send that to you, and you can find out more about the collaborative process.